Hey guys, what's up, and it's time to do a battery charging test of the Vivo V17 Pro, and this phone comes with a Snapdragon 675 chipset with 8 GB RAM, and we have a quad cameras on the back, and you can see, and this phone comes with a 4100 mAh battery size, which is very big battery for this phone. Let's quickly show you the battery percentage, and the battery is at 21%. And this phone is also support 18 watt fast charging, dual engine fast charging. So let's quickly show you the charger that comes with right out the box. And you can see here is a charger that support 18 watt fast charging, 9 volt with 2 ampere charger with a USB type C cable, which is very nice feature in the Vivo V17 Pro. So let's quickly start the test. Everything is ready and the charger is connected to the power source and the power is on. So let's quickly insert the cable inside the phone, and you can see phone is showing me that the charging is start and dual engine fast charging is here. And guys, the charging is starts. So let's calculate the time on my Samsung Galaxy S9. Here we go. Let's start, and the timer is on. So I will be back after a half hour, exact 30 minutes. So guys, I will be back after half hour, and let's see how much this phone is charged. Okay guys, I am back after half hour, exact 30 minutes. So let's see the battery percentage, and the battery percentage is at 58%. About 37% battery is charged in half hour 30 minutes. And this battery charging speed, it is not bad in this phone, but still dual engine fast charging is not as fast as the super fast charging that we seen on the Samsung Galaxy A70. So now I will be back after 1 hour, exact 60 minutes. So see you guys after 1 hour, and let's see how much this phone is charged in next half hour. So see you guys after 1 hour. Okay guys, I am back after 1 hour and phone is at 88%. So this phone is charged about 67% in 60 minutes, 1 hour. So now I will be back after when phone is fully charged up to 100%. So see you guys. Okay guys, I am back and phone is fully charged up to 100% in 1 hour and 44 minutes, and this phone is take 44 minutes from 88 to 100%. So it is not a good thing in this phone. I definitely recommend not charge up to 100%, about 80-89%. And guys, overall I have to say the battery charging speed on this phone is average from 88% to 100%. This thing is very bad in this phone. Thank you so much for watching this battery charging test of the Vivo V17 Pro. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.